Today, we're taking a long, detailed look at the 2026 Suzuki DR200SE, one of the most enduring and practical dual-sport motorcycles on the market. This bike has earned a reputation over decades for simplicity, reliability, and versatility, making it appealing to beginners, commuters, and adventure riders alike. In a world where motorcycles are getting heavier, more complex, and more expensive, the DR200SE stands out as a bike that just works. Straightforward, easy to maintain, and capable of handling a variety of riding conditions. At its heart is a 199 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine. It might not sound like much on paper compared to modern high-displacement adventure bikes, but that's exactly the beauty of it. The engine produces smooth, predictable power that is ideal for city commuting, trail riding, and even light adventure touring. With around 20 horsepower and a torque-rich delivery, the DR200SE feels nimble and manageable, giving beginners the confidence to explore off-road trails without being overwhelmed. The bike's throttle response is forgiving yet responsive, allowing you to modulate power carefully on loose gravel, dirt, or sand. This makes it a bike you can grow into and enjoy for years without outgrowing its capability. The transmission is a 5-speed constant mesh gearbox, designed to be simple and durable. Shifting is smooth and predictable, and the clutch action is light enough for beginners while precise enough for more experienced riders to enjoy technical trails. On the road, the DR200SE feels light and agile. At 132 kilograms, 291 pounds curb weight, it's among the lightest dual-sport motorcycles available, which translates to effortless handling both on paved streets and dirt tracks. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear will provide stability and control over uneven terrain, while the suspension system, telescopic front forks, and a rear linkage-type shock with preload adjustment soaks up bumps and trail imperfections with confidence. While it doesn't feature high-end damping adjustments like some modern bikes, the setup is perfectly suited for its purpose: simple, dependable off-road and on-road riding. Braking is handled with a front disc and a rear drum. This may seem basic to some, but it's effective and reliable. The disc brake up front provides strong stopping power, while the rear drum offers consistent braking without fuss. Replacement parts are inexpensive and widely available, keeping maintenance costs low and downtime minimal, an important factor for daily riders or those venturing far from towns. The design of the DR200SE is functional and purposeful. It features a semi-double cradle steel frame built to endure years of riding abuse. Unlike flashy, overstyled motorcycles, every element serves a purpose. The headlight is protected by a rugged guard, the levers are shielded, and extended mud flaps keep dirt and debris from reaching the rider or key components. The large, flat rear cargo carrier is one of the DR200SE's standout features. It allows riders to strap down luggage, camping gear, or work tools with ease, a rare convenience in this class of bike. Ergonomically, the DR200SE is welcoming. The seat is spacious and supportive, with an upright riding position that minimizes fatigue during long rides. Foot pegs are positioned for comfort on long stretches and agility when navigating trails, while the handlebars provide excellent leverage for precise control. The 13-liter fuel tank, modest in size, is matched with the bike's frugal fuel consumption to provide a respectable range ideal for rural adventures or extended commutes. One of the most compelling aspects of the DR200SE is its simplicity. It doesn't rely on traction control, ride modes, ABS in every market, or digital TFT displays. It's a mechanical, rider-focused experience that emphasizes confidence, reliability, and skill development. For many riders, that simplicity is a major selling point. You learn to ride the bike rather than depend on electronic aids, and that's a rewarding experience in itself. Maintenance and ownership are equally straightforward. Oil changes, chain adjustments, valve checks, all of it can be done with basic tools. The engine's air-cooled design eliminates the need for complex liquid cooling systems, and parts are widely available and affordable. That makes the DR200SE a bike that's not only easy to ride but also easy to live with. Whether you're in a remote area or in the city, keeping this bike running is simple and inexpensive. Let's talk about real-world performance. In the city, the DR200SE feels lively and nimble. You can dart through traffic, handle tight corners, and maneuver in crowded streets with minimal effort. Its lightweight frame and responsive suspension make navigating potholes, speed bumps, and uneven pavements surprisingly comfortable. On country roads and back trails, the bike shines. The torque-rich engine allows smooth climbs, and the wide-spaced gearing lets you maintain control on loose or uneven surfaces. Whether you're tackling dirt paths, gravel roads, or shallow creek crossings, the DR200SE offers the confidence to explore terrain that larger, heavier bikes would struggle with. Off-road, the DR200SE comes alive. Its combination of lightweight design, high ground clearance, and sturdy suspension allows it to tackle moderate trails with ease. The front 21-inch wheel rolls over obstacles like rocks and roots, while the rear 18-inch wheel provides traction and stability. Riders report feeling a sense of confidence on technical terrain, thanks to the bike's predictable handling and responsive throttle. You can stand on the pegs, shift your weight, and maintain balance with minimal effort, making it an excellent choice for trail riding and light adventure touring. The bike's braking system, while basic, is intuitive off-road. The front disc brake provides enough stopping power without locking the wheel easily, and the rear drum brake gives consistent, smooth control for slower sections. You won't find high-performance Brembo brakes here, but the system matches the bike's purpose perfectly. The DR200SE also excels as a practical everyday motorcycle. Its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance needs make it a cost-effective commuter. It starts reliably in all weather conditions, and its mechanical reliability ensures fewer surprises. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Suzuki DR200SE is competitively positioned. In markets like South Africa, the MSRP is around R69,390.00, offering exceptional value for a dual-sport bike that's capable, reliable, and versatile. Compared to larger adventure motorcycles, which can cost significantly more and come with higher maintenance costs, the DR200SE is approachable for new riders, casual commuters, and budget-conscious adventurers alike. The bike's appeal extends beyond performance and price. Its design emphasizes functionality and durability, allowing riders to carry gear, handle varied terrain, and rely on the bike for years without costly upgrades or complex maintenance. Its minimalistic approach is refreshing in a market crowded with high-tech gadgets and overcomplicated machines. Here, you get a bike that does exactly what you need. Ride. The Suzuki DR200SE is also incredibly versatile. It suits multiple rider types. Beginners will find it easy to learn on, commuters will enjoy its low maintenance and fuel efficiency, adventure seekers will appreciate its lightweight, trail-ready design, and even farmers or utility riders will find it practical with its sturdy frame and rear cargo carrier. It's the kind of motorcycle that adapts to your lifestyle rather than forcing you to adapt to it. Whether you're a first-time rider, a seasoned adventurer, or someone who simply wants a reliable, easy-to-maintain motorcycle for daily use, the 2026 Suzuki DR200SE is an excellent choice. It reminds us that motorcycles don't need to be complicated to be fun, dependable, and versatile. With the DR200SE, Suzuki continues to offer a motorcycle that riders can trust, enjoy, and rely on for years to come. If you're considering a dual sport that offers confidence, efficiency, and simplicity, this bike deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Global Bike Biz for more in-depth reviews and long-form motorcycle explorations. Drop your thoughts about the DR200SE in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences, questions, and adventures with this incredible dual sport machine.